Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your TikTok account private. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click profile at the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars at the top right corner, and then you need to click on settings and privacy. And here you need to click on the second option, privacy, and here is the first option, private account. You simply need to select this option, and you can see that I simply turn on this option, and now my account is private. So by following these steps, you can easily convert your TikTok account into private account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.